Hello everybody and welcome to Blue Goose Garage. 91 Geo Metro strut replacement. This ain't necessarily a how-to video. It's just trying to show you, in case you have no idea how to do this. This will give you the idea of how to do this. It's really simple. As you can see, I've already got the struts out. You take those two bolts out of these two holes. You take that clip right there off yonder brake line. You then take yonder brake line out of that bracket right there. I recommend prying the knuckle out of the strut and then removing these three nuts. You just let it right out. I'll show you a little bit more once I'm putting them back in. Put the struts on it, tightened everything down, did a little bit of an alignment with some tobacco sticks and a tape measure. So it's good enough for this car. See us again next time.